First of all, before the emergence of Mahdi and the coming down of Hazrat Masih, in some eastern country, Islamic State will be established. Because the Prophet has said, this is an hadith from Sunan ibn Majah, and Abdullah ibn Haris radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. يَخْرُجُ النَّاسُ مِنَ الْمَشْرِقِ يُوَتِّئُونَ لِلْمَهْدِيِّ لِسُلْطَانِهِ. Armies will come from the east who will help Mahdi to establish that caliphate. So where from will those armies come? From the east. And the second hadith is, that is from Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu and reported by Tirmidhi rahimahullah. يَخْرُجُ مِنْ خُرَاسَانَ رَايَاتُ سُودٍ لَا يَرُدُّهَا شَيْءٌ حَتَّى تُنْصَبَ بِإِيلِيَا. From Khurasan, black flags will emerge and they will advance. No power on earth would be able to return them, turn them back, till they will be fixed, erected in Elia, Jerusalem. And Khurasan was the name of the country which today we know as Afghanistan and part of Turkestan, a very small chunk of Iran, and some part of Pakistan. On the basis of these two hadiths, I hope that this caliphate, this Islamic State will be established first there, and from there the help will come and form Middle East, and again this will extend to the whole of the globe on this earth.